All right, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have something different. This is a Craig 4502 calculator. These came out in 1973. Some say it's 1972. This uses a special VFD tubes for illuminating the display. It's a vacuum fluorescent tube, and I wanted to show you how this unit is functioning. I'm not sure if you could see this kind of display here, but it's pretty unique. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It utilizes 4C batteries, and sometimes it takes a while for it to pop up with the numerical display. Maybe it's because again it is a vacuum tube. So anyway, this is sometimes called the Ghostbusters calculator because it's very similar, um, to see how it sometimes disappears. But the it's called Ghostbusters because it's similar to the Sanyo PC4 calculator that was used in the movie Ghostbusters. So and again, it's called that because of its similarity. But anyway, again, let's just go ahead and give you a quick demo of this thing. It does work. Um, you just have to definitely press these buttons slowly, as I noticed that sometimes when I go too fast, it kind of skips in the numbers, or at least disappears. At least that's kind of this. It's rare that it does it, but you can kind of see what happened there. So let's go ahead and just do some calculations. 10 times 12 is equal to 120. Let's see, let's do this division here. Divided by 4 is equal to 30. I guess you could change the decimal points here. It says there's an auto mode, 2, and then there's a 4. So let's try the 4. Um, let's just say 42 times 30 there. So there's 4 digits right there. That's minus 52. I'm not sure if there's sometimes it's kind of weird because even though you see the minus over there, when you hit that, it disappears. So sometimes it adds instead of subtracts. Um, Minus, let's just say 50. See, it added. So I just don't know how it works. Okay, so if I go minus 50, see, it adds. So I'm not really sure why there. I guess it has to disappear. Minus 65 there. So I guess that minus sign this has to disappear for it to actually be a minus. That's just how they make it, I guess. So let's just say let's reduce it by 1,000. So we got to make sure. Oh, there's that minus. You got to make sure there's no there. Yeah, you're right. Or I'm right. Um, the minus has to disappear in order for the minus sign to actually be the correct um, way to do it. So plus 200 is equal, and there you go. So right, if I hit this, it pops up, but you gotta make sure it's that minus sign disappears. So you can say minus 43 should equal to 400. Yeah, okay. So again, there's a decimal points that are here on the left side that you can set where it's 2 or auto. In the back for the K, putting it on K, it says here that let's see here. Do not move to K constant position unless required for calculations. Again, I'm not sure, but it just goes to on. But this thing uses 4C batteries. So let's go ahead and take a look at the compartment here. And it's a screw type. Oh, there it is. Screw type of um, bolt that actually shows you the 4 batteries. And then you can also use this thing with a power supply. I don't have the power supply, but it's a normal 6-volt power supply, um, and it's DC right there. You can just get one from online and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a really cool, really nice condition calculator. Again, this is an 8-digit calculator, so you have um, enough room there to do regular calculations. You've got your clear, your divide times your addition there, and your minus. And again, you have to make sure that the minus sign disappears before you you can use that that button. All right, or at least that calculation. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to show you on this Craig 4502 calculator built, I guess, between 1972 and 1973. Sometimes referred to as the Ghostbusters calculator because it's similar to the Sanyo PC4 calculator. All right. There's also a battery indicator here to show you how much power is left. So let's just show you that it turns, when you turn it off, it tries to get close to the line, and then as soon as you turn it on, it moves to show you how much power is left within the green side. All right. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Um, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.